In this first tutorial we'll be learning sketcher commands. So start with new, then model, select model. Okay, to start sketch environment, click on insert, sketch in task environment, click on sketch in start environment, then select the plane on which plane you want to sketch. Say click on OK. By default profile command is active. We will start with this profile command. If you want to do a pan, hold down shift button, press the scroll button and drag the mouse, so that will make it pan. So there are two input methods are there, coordinate mode and parameter mode. So you want to create it by parameter mode, so we will click it on parameter mode. So in parameter mode you can give the length and angle. Start with first point. You can see here the information, select the first point. So whatever the message NX want to give it to you, it will write in this area. Select the first point, give the direction where you want to go, and you can adjust your mouse to get the desired length, or you can key in also desired length. Suppose I want 130, so I will just click there. So line of 130 is created. So you don't have to give the dimension in NX8, it will come automatically. Then again adjust the length. Suppose I want a line of 90, length in 90 angle, just click there, so line will be created. Suppose I want to key some length, so suppose I want a line of 50, so I can also key in 50, then press enter. You can change the angle, or you just have to press enter again to create the line. So in this way also you can create the line. Just give the length, enter, and again you can change the angle, or you just enter, press enter, so that line will be created. Or you can also adjust the length using mouse. So whatever length you want, I want 25 in 20 to 70 degree angle. So in this way this object is created. To come out, you can just press scroll button once, so that command will stop, but profile command is still running. If you want to stop using profile command, press scroll button again, so it will stop using the profile command also. Or you can adjust the position of the dimension, so it will be visible properly. By double clicking you can change the dimension also. If you want to change this letter, you can change it by double clicking on it. You can adjust the dimension by clicking, holding first button on it and dragging it ahead at a desired position. Suppose I don't want this, so just drag first mouse button, click first mouse button and drag it, and press delete on the keyboard, so it will delete the object. Suppose profile, give the first point, choose the length. Suppose here I want to draw arc, then you can switch to arc mode, object type arc, and here you can give the radius how much you want. Suppose I want a radius of 40 and sweep angle is 180, so just I will press enter, and I will have to click here, so it has been created. Then in this way you can use the arc option from profile command. You can also, to come out of the command, you can also use the escape button on the keyboard, so that way also you can come out of the command. So just press down the first mouse button, drag it, after selection delete it. So in this way you can use the profile command. Then line command can be used in the same way, only this line command creates only line, and that will be a single line. So again you will have to give a start point and length. So by pressing control Z you can undo it. So if I want to create a line in some angle, then give the line command, click on the line, click first point, then give the length, enter, then angle. I want line in 30 angle, so just click on that, so it will show you the angle. Then to come out, press scroll button. Then in this way the is showing you the angle. You can change the angle also. Suppose I want the line in 60 degrees, so it will be drawn in 60 degree. You can undo by Ctrl Z. So in this way you can create inclined line, you can create a straight line. Then next is arc. So there are two arc methods, arc by 3-point and arc by center and endpoint. 3-point method, you have to click 3 points, give first point, then second point and third point. Or you can also give the radius there. I want arc of 90. So you can control the position, how much big you want it, and just click there. So it will create an arc. You can zoom fit to see all the drawing. So it will automatically dimension the reference point and all those things. So in this way you can create an arc of 3-point arc. Give first point, second point, third point. So in this way also you can create. You can change the parameter later on. Then arc, next is arc by center and end point. So I will just pan it holding down shift and drag shift and scroll button. Then give the center point, give the radius point, and give the sweep angle. So in this way you can create a arc by giving center and end points. You can create the arc by giving values also. Suppose arc by center and end point, give the center point, then give the radius. Suppose radius is 100, enter, sweep angle is 0. Then you have to give radius will be the same, just press enter, and sweep angle is 120 degrees suppose. So and click there. So side, on which side you want, click there, so it will be created like that. Again we will try it. Arc by center, give the center point, give the radius, enter, sweep angle 0, then click. Then again radius is 100, just enter, sweep angle of 120 and click. So in this way you can create by giving parameters also. Then next is circle. Click on circle, give the center point and give the radius. Suppose 100 is the diameter, give the diameter, 100 is the diameter. So circle of 100 diameter will be created. Circle, center point, click. So it will create a circle of 100. 86 diameter it has created. Suppose I don't want this circle. So in this way you can create the circle. If you want to give a dimension of radius, from here you can give the radius dimension. Click on the circle, go outside, 50, enter, click outside, click scroll to come out. So in this way you can give radius also, you can change the radius also. So you can add radius parameter to it if required. So in this way you can create circle, give center point and give the diameter. It will be created. Then you can create circle by 3 points. Suppose I want a circle touching 3 points. Suppose I have a triangle. I will create one triangle. Suppose 100 length. Angle is 0. I will click. I will use profile command, so I will get a continuous line. So angle length is again 100, enter, angle is suppose 120 degree. So I will create a equilateral triangle, press scroll to come out, again press scroll to come out. Suppose I want a circle, you can zoom it by rotating your scroll button towards user for zoom plus and towards monitor for zoom minus. Suppose I want a circle which will pass through these 3 midpoints. So I will take circle, then 3 point, then select the midpoint here. Here is the midpoint. So it is showing by that square box is coming there, so that is the midpoint, and here also that symbol, midpoint symbol, is also displayed. So click on that, or here or from here also you can select it, midpoint, then again midpoint, and again midpoint. So in this way you can create a circle passing through 3 points, or we can create it by passing through these 3 points, end point, end point, and end point. So in this way you can create a circle. You can zoom fit by pressing here. So in this way you can create a circle passing through 3 endpoints. Press escape. Then next is fillet. Suppose before that we will see rectangle. For rectangle also you can give the parameter, make the parameter mode on, then click on first point, then give the width, how much width you want. Suppose I want width of 70 and height of 40. Just click there and click, so it will create rectangle of that size. So you can create rectangle by 3 point also. You will see that 3 point by 3 point, click first point, then second point, and third point. Or you can give width, height, and angle also. So in that way that rectangle will be created by 3 point. Then you can create rectangle from center also. Give the center point, then give the width 102 and give the height 55. So in this way that rectangle will be created. Zoom fit to see the full rectangle. So in this way you can create rectangle passing through center, from the center. Suppose I have this rectangle, by holding down shift and scroll button you can pan. Then using fillet I can fillet between two corners. Suppose I first corner, first line, second line, then give the radius, I want 20, enter. So a fillet will be created of 20 radius. If you don't want to trim the lines, you can select here fillet method untrim, then give the radius 20, then select on, click on two lines. So fillet will be created without trimming the lines. Then next is chamfer. Click on chamfer, then select first line, select second line, then specify the point where you want the chamfer. So in this way you can here you can change the dimension chamfer. Here I want a chamfer of suppose 20, press enter, then select first line, second line, so it will be automatically created. Chamfer, I want chamfer of 25, just key in the value of 25, click on two lines, so it will be created automatically. Close to come out, undo. You can undo from here also, and you can redo from here. If you want to bring it back, undo to cancel.